Smisha Rudy Donawach, agus Hamia Gopit akin Colaisde na Gaelic. Hi, I'm Rodney MacDonald. I'm the president of Colaisde na Gaelic, the Gaelic College.
Smisha MacKenzie, so I'm at Colaisde na Gaelic Gopit. My name's Kenneth MacKenzie and I work at the Gaelic College as the Director of Education.
The college was established in 1938 and our mandate is to promote and preserve and to continue our education around Gaelic culture, music, language, dance, and craft. There is a unique experience offered here at the college, one where you can come and pick up a fiddle, learn how to step dance. Perhaps it's the pipes that you prefer. About 50,000 individuals visit our site each and every year in beautiful St. Anne's, Cape Breton, and they experience our cultural demonstrations or come for a lunchtime Gaelic.
At different parts of the year, we'll have Gaelic immersions over a weekend where people come together and learn the language through very experiential learning. So they'll come and be completely immersed in the language in their class, after class, at meal times, and they might learn to make soup together in Gaelic or go for a hike on the grounds and learn about words for trees or leaves and all kinds of things.
We have a vibrant site full of music and dance and language at any point in time throughout the year, and programs that are geared towards such. You can be 90 years old or you can be 9 years old. Either way, you'll have an experience that you will never forget.
We have some online programming as well that's very popular and draws students from around the world. So we have programming from beginner up to advanced, and our teachers are based all over the world, so we serve different time zones. And that in itself is a lot of fun because you see this completely separate community developing around that. The Gaelic language itself over the past number of years has had a lot of ups and downs. Here in Nova Scotia, we've seen a lot of growth in the adult learner community, and it's been great to see, and a lot of really deep connections formed there. And even today, you're seeing more kids brought up in Gaelic in the home, and more Gaelic programming in schools, and even a youth mentorship program that we run here has seen a lot of success. And it's wonderful to see when you might have little toddlers or those teenagers coming to a Gaelic weekend with elders, native speaker elders, and that whole intergenerational aspect of the community, which is so vital and something to be celebrated. And anything we can do to promote that or help it in any way is something we try to do as much as we can.
There's an old saying in Gaelic that a culture without a language is a culture without a soul. And if we do not continue to promote the language, the dance, the music, and the craft, we're going to lose a piece of who we are. This is more than just a celebration, if you will, of Gaelic language and culture. This is about ensuring that for generations to come, our Gaelic people have the opportunity to learn who they are, to learn their history, to learn their music, to learn their language, and to ensure that for many years to come, we are able to truly promote what is unique, what is real, and what is part of we as a people.
Sinach Dave Womsa, Hick a Chéli or in Uas and B. Tap a leaf.